Bullish Nexo cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $3.64 and $6.88 by 2030. Market examiners accept Nexo could reach $2.83 by 2025. Bearish Nexo market cost expectation for 2023 is 64 cents. Nexo presentation. Researchers learn one thing because of the development of digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. Blockchain innovation won't disappear. With this confirmation in their algorithmic ability, researchers and cryptographers worked vigorously to foster a unique cryptographic money that could hold greatest incentive at a promising future cost and empower getting cash and making installments in replaceable neighborhood money. We should take a gander at the coin outline prior to getting into a thorough value expectation of the Nexo cost. What is Nexo? Clients might help credits got by digital currencies through Nexo, a blockchain-based loaning stage. The way that these advances don't need a FICO rating makes them a beneficial option for clients. The Nexo stage permits clients to store upheld crypto resources and get a quick credit in excess of 45 distinct government-issued types of money. The presentation of free virtual cards with no restriction money trades has been a conspicuous part of Nexo. The principal advantage shoppers get from utilizing these cards is the capacity to pay with their local monetary standards, which might be utilized for limits. Nexo major investigation. Regardless of being based on blockchain calculations, Nexo is incredibly helpless and, as other digital currencies, is vigorously dependent on value development, request, and supply. The commitments Nexo offers for the future are a subject of discussion among specialists. Nexo's cost moved from 55 cents to 98 cents during April and May 2018, a critical increment that recommended a huge degree of early financial backer premium, as per verifiable information, following the organization made its market debut in 2018. Nonetheless, it showed basically level energy until September 2020. Afterward, the cost of Nexo had ascended past normal exchanging cost of 73 cents. However, it has since had a little pullback and has come back testing the typical cost of 50 cents level. Suddenly, verifiable information uncovers that during the coronavirus stage, while any remaining monetary forms showed lackluster showing, the Nexo cost showed strength, acquiring financial backer certainty and exhibiting a huge expansion in energy. Starting from the beginning of 2022, there has been no sign of a Nexo cost drop. As per Nexo's own measurements, it oversees resources worth $80 billion and has multiple million supporters overall spread across in excess of 200 nations. A sum of north of 40 huge digital forms of money are upheld, including the Nexo token along with Bitcoin, Ether, AXE, Phantom, Cardano, and Dogecoin. Albeit the rate is in many cases lower. Clients can acquire up to 16% of premium on their collateralized resources. In a new perusing, TAI was procuring 12% APR, while BTC was delivering 7%. Nexo has noteworthy trust pilot appraisals, but there are likewise obviously a few phony surveys blended in with the genuine ones. Nexo specialized investigation. The cost of Nexo has a splendid viewpoint for the future since it depends on specialized investigation. Given its steady dependability, the Nexo cost forecast appears to be very hopeful proceeding. Considering our Nexo cost expectation, specialized examination, and market refreshes, it is conceivable that many ventures will be finished toward the finish of 2022, prompting the most exorbitant cost forecast, making Nexo a more productive speculation than government-issued currency in the cryptographic money market. The Nexo value forecast is supposed to rise quickly for a really long time, as indicated by all suitable cost expectation information. Nexo current cost. Nexo is as of now worth 80 cents USD. Nexo has moved 12.26% as of now with an exchanging volume of $14,455,685. Nexo is as of now positioned 476 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $450,135,998 USD. Using the general strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination disparity from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Nexo to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation gauges utilize continuous Nexo market information and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market movement. Nexo value expectation 2023. Nexo, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The Nexo cost gauge for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $1.21. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be slow, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $1.13 in cost is very aggressive. yet it is practical sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progressions. Nexo is supposed to have a base worth of 97 cents. Nexo Value Forecast 2024. In 2024, Nexo cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Nexo will before long outperform $2.02. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold back to check whether the Nexo's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Nexo will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $1.62 and a typical exchanging cost of $1.78. Nexo Value Expectation 2025. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $2.83 and Nexo might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Nexo is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $2.59 and a low of $2.43 in 2025. Nexo Value Expectation 2026. Assuming Nexo effectively supports market feeling among digital currency devotees, the Nexo coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Nexo will be green in 2026. The Nexo is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $3.64, with a base cost of $3.24 and a typical cost of $3.40. Nexo Value Forecast 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the Nexo cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $4.21 by 2027, with a base cost of $4.04 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Nexo has a greatest value worth of $4.45. Nexo Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $5.02. In the event that Nexo figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $5.26. Neglecting to accumulate the help Nexo needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $4.85. Nexo Value Forecast 2029. While Nexo is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $5.66 and a yearly cost close above $6.07 in 2029. Nexo Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, Nexo will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $6.47 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $6.88, averaging out at $6.63. Nexo Value Forecast 2031. The cryptographic money market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to figure future costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR.